If you're passionate about photography, get ready for a new era of creative possibilities with Nikon's high-performance D7000. Nikon's advanced technologies enhance every breathtaking shot you take. The newly developed 16.2 megapixel CMOS sensor delivers crisp, detailed images every time. And you can enjoy stunning enlargements even when cropping in on your images. With a high ISO of up to 6400, you can capture finely detailed night and action scenes with low noise. And Nikon's new X-Speed 2 image processing engine optimizes camera performance to enhance image quality, precision, and speed. The D7000 is a rugged performer with a durable and light magnesium top and rear covers to protect it from wear and tear. With 39 individual focus points, you can lock in on fast-moving or erratic subjects with amazing accuracy. The viewfinder offers 100% frame coverage, ensuring precise control over image composition. The accurate, durable shutter unit with high-speed flash synchronization has been tested to 150,000 cycles, guaranteeing perfectly exposed images. Organizing your files is incredibly easy with configurable dual SD cards. Record the same image to both cards for security. Or save movies and photos to separate cards. The D7000 makes it easy to get organized. The RGB metering sensor provides precise data to the D7000 scene recognition system, which optimizes exposure, autofocus, and white balance. High-speed continuous shooting at up to 6 frames per second ensures you keep up with the action. With Nikon D7000, you can shoot with continuous autofocus to create stunning full HD movies with quality stereo sound using a compatible external microphone. Edit your movies on the go with simple in-camera editing. Share all your pictures and videos in camera on your HD TV or computer with built-in HDMI output. Expand your creativity with Nikon's impressive range of lenses and accessories. Shoot outstanding images and have ultimate control over your results with Nikon's DX format lenses, specifically made for cameras like the D7000. Never run out of charge with the multi-power battery pack, ergonomically designed to fit seamlessly with the camera to offer a secure grip when you're shooting vertically. Shooting in low light conditions is never a problem when shooting with a Nikon Speedlight. Change the direction and quality of light for even greater control. And the optional GP1 unit allows you to always remember where and when a picture was taken. For the passionate photographer, the Nikon D7000 delivers ultimate versatility, power, and performance.